Hey, what's going on YouTube? This is your boy EJ, and today I'm going to show you how I set up my Insta360 Ace Pro for when it's sunny, like today when it's sunny outside. So I'm going to show you guys how I do that. Here is the cage that I'm using. The only thing I don't like about this cage is I can't go vertical because they have a proprietary mount on the side right here that's compatible with GoPro, and I pretty much don't want to do that because I like to use the quick release like what's on here. So I'm going to show you guys how I set it up. I'm using the ffilter, and I'm using the cage filter adapter. So let me quickly show you how to do this. On this one here, you have to put the camera in the cage first, which is another downside. That's one reason why I'm not gonna recommend this cage. Now if you're just doing horizontal video, this cage will work fine. It'll protect your GoPro. If you're on motorcycles, anything like that, it'll protect the Ace Pro pretty good. But when you put the filter attachment on, you can't remove the camera from the cage without taking the filter off. That's the part I don't like about it. Here's the threaded filter adapter. I like this way better than the pop-on filters that you can pop on and off, because this right here, I'm pretty much not going to lose it using this method. If I use the pop-on filter, it might pop off when I'm doing something, so I never use the pop-on or snap-on filter, or however you want to call it. It's pretty much just got two little screws that you got to screw in there to hold the filter adapter on. Man, this is a nice day in Carolina too. Perfect day for some hiking. But the day would be perfect while I'm working, you know how that goes. And that's what it looks like once you get the filter adapter on there. And here's my K&F filter. It actually comes with a cap. And then you basically just take it and you screw it on like that. Get that on nice and tight. And that's not coming off. So if you're riding motorcycles, if you're doing anything where you're moving, theme park rides or anything, that filter there is not coming off. Surfboard, skiing, whatever. If you need a filter, this is not coming off like those snap-on filters can. Then, like I said, it has the cover, so you just pop that cover off. Then you got your values on the side. I don't know if you can see it, but you got your values on the side. So we're gonna set that to minimum. Well, today we're gonna set it to stop 3. Alright guys, this is what your video is going to be like once you get that ND filter on there. Now you can go out in the sun and blog and all that stuff, you know, on these bright sunny days. And your video footage is going to come out good. So on stop 3 right now, let me demonstrate since the sun is behind me. Let me switch it to 4. This is a 9-stop filter from K&F too. So that's pretty much what it looks like when the sun is like behind me, and this is what it looked like when I turn away from the sun. Now the sun is back there. You can see pretty much what it looked like. Yeah, Insta360, a cage, and a K&F filter. Check it out. Then all I gotta do now is just take it and put it on my vlogging handle, and there it is, guys. PGY Tech Mantis Pod Power. Has a remote. And there's my Ace Pro with the filter on it. Pop the screen up just like that. Hit that power button and you ready to go. Ready to block. Alright guys, I'm just gonna make this a short video, so please hit the like, share, and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys on the next video. Peace.